Hi, my name is Tochukwu. I am the CEO and founder of Excellent Care Medical. I am right here with the Williams, the Williams that you know, yes. Who is the Williams? Oh, the Williams is amazing. I have been out there on social media looking for a coach to walk me through stuff, somebody to aid me, to support me, and to give me the information that I needed to become successful as a company owner in this arena. I didn't find one until the Williams. I'm talking about the D with the wealth of knowledge. That D that will tell you things that you have never heard nor seen anybody talk about on social media. I have launched since April this year. I have had what I believe to be activity, but when I got to this event, believe me when I tell you that I heard things, informations that I wasn't able to get anywhere else. And I have paid some other coaches. I have. I didn't get nothing. Well, I did not get anything. Believe me when I tell you that D is the person that you need to become successful in anything stuff. D has a wealth of knowledge. D is out there making sure that whichever information you get would help you in this trend and time. D is my coach. D will stay my coach. And if you know what is good for you, reach out to D. If you want to become successful, if you want to launch successfully, have a strong background, have a strong base when it comes to launching your business, reach out to D Williams. She has all the information you need and more. I am grateful to be here. Like, we get so much information that 24 hours is not enough. And she keeps pouring and pouring and pouring more. It's unbelievable. You need to check it out yourself. How do you find her? Go on YouTube, check D Williams. Oh, I think she's the only D Williams on YouTube, I think. Or you can go to Staff Entrepreneur and check her out.